Hey guys, we are back with another video. Alright. It may seem pretty cool, but it's not. I got my monthly subscription box. It's Tinker Crate. Today, as you can see on the box, right there, magnetic levitation. They always spoil it. But here we get into the unboxing part. We got some wood things. I don't know what that goes to. I'm sorry if I'm smacking my gum. Tinker's in. Whatever it is, Zion. Whatever the frig it is. We got like glass rod, a plastic thing, a pencil. We got magnets. I don't know if I showed you that. We got a little thingy right here. We got some foam thingy majicker bobbers. We got a blueprint. So here's that. Little, see, it's a blueprint. Anyway, oh, got a pencil sharpener. That's pretty cool. We got a Tinker Crate thingy majigger. Oh, it's little graph paper. We got a whole notepad of that. Anyway, let's put all this back up. So there may be a video up, another one other than this. There may be another video up, either today, tomorrow, or Saturday, or sometime next week. It could be up from today to next week. But it's a video of me driving my dad's RC car around for it's like, I cut it out and stuff, make it easy. Just make it like a little 5-minute video maybe. Of some good moments. Maybe not. It wasn't really a good moment, it's just driving a car. Anyway, but I will have that up from either today to next week. That's basically all I got. Boom. I always say Anyway, so we will catch you, or I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.